The neighbor has these bees in these sideboard here, and normally I don't do this kind of removal, but they're allergic to bees and they really need them out, so I'm going to give it a try. I got the siding off and I gotta pull this board out, which I'm not looking forward to. But a lot of bees in here, they're not super happy. Alright, here's the first bits of comb. I'll have to probably take out another piece of this wood to get to everything. They're not really happy with me. Alright, so 2 boards out. You can see the full comb. There's brood and honey in here, so I'm gonna start taking these out and look for that queen. To get the bees out, I've had to bring out my DIY bee vac, so I'm going to get to work with that and try and get all these bees sucked up. The bees are in the makeshift DIY shop vac, so I'll dump these out into the rest of the comb when I get home. Well, I got as many of the bees out as I can. There's still a few foragers coming back, but I got all the comb and most of the bees, so I'm gonna call it quits.